Good morning everybody. This is our day 3 of Kuari Pass and this is our final summit day. It's 6:30 in the morning and we are all prepping for the final day. Having our black tea right now. You can see everybody is getting ready. Yes, everybody is having their tea. Prepping up, wearing their spikes and everybody because we're gonna climb in the snow today. There's too much adventure that is gonna happen. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna videograph it, but I'll try to do as much as possible. I'll see you on the summit.
आप पहली बार डाल रहे हो तो थोड़ा आपको स्ट्रगल करनी पड़ेगी डालने में। और मैं ज़्यादा बुरा लग रहा हूँ क्या? मेरे लोगों के में। So you wear them as socks.
Not reduce, it will increase the friction basically.
हाँ.
Okay.
Job done.
Also, we witnessed a little bit of snowfall in the night. There is snow all over. Obviously, there was snow before also, but you can see there is fresh snowfall here. You can see it on the tents also. Getting our lunch box packed for the summit, and the sun is out finally. It was so freezing.
It was finally time to hit the snow in all its glory. Kuari Pass Summit Day was here and I couldn't be more excited.
So we've just started our trail, 200 meters up. कुछ कहना मिताज?
कुछ नहीं स्टार्ट किया अभी देखते हैं अभी तो ठीक ही लग रहा है कितने 3 किलोमीटर जाना हमने देन विल रीच कुलारी पास उसके बाद इसी रूट से वापस आएंगे
Walking on snow was way tougher than I imagined. Every step felt like a mini adventure.
We could see our first stop over there. See?
So the first stop, Kulara Top is here. Oh my god, the view. Oh god. Everybody is taking rest at the moment, hydrating and enjoying the beautiful views that this place has to offer. How is the place?
बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया इट वाज अ वेरी स्टीप इंक्लाइन बट बहुत मजा है बहुत शानदार व्यू है
We are on our way to Jhandi Top, our next stop. Sometimes I really think, why do I put myself in such situations? But then in the end it's all worth it when you see such beauty. It's difficult, but you can't stop challenging yourself, right?
Trying to capture some raw candid moments where Abhijot is just about to make a summit and Samratna, yeah, first summit and
Jhandi Top na?
Yes, and
Guys, we've reached Jhandi Top.
and she did a very great job coming here.
It was a steep climb and the view.
Yeah, we'll just try to capture some view. Some people are still coming. It's a very, very beautiful place. Everyone say hi!
Jhandi Top was the midpoint of our summit day, and sitting up there after a steep climb, what a reward. The 360-degree view of the Himalayas around me just hit different. it gave me that extra push to keep going, you know.
This is the most beautiful part of this stretch, whole stretch. Isn't it? Guides, please tell us.
Yes.
So that peak that you can see, just behind that, the one that is peeping out is the Pangat Chula peak. There's a different trek to do that peak, but we can see that from here.
As we got closer to the summit, the trail started narrowing. Like seriously, edge of the mountain narrowing. This was the most adrenaline pumping part of the whole trek.
This is quite a narrow place to walk on. There's this valley down, and the other side is the mountain. That's the mountain side. If I don't walk properly, I can just go down this valley. So I have to be careful. The snow is quite powdery here, so the feet is going under the snow.
हाँ जी, कैसा है रत्ना? बढ़िया? Little scary?
Almost dead, guys, but no option to give up. That's Quarry Top, our destination. Very happy to see it, but it's still so far.
And here is a cool bit of history that I got to know in this trail. Lord Curzon, the British Viceroy in India, actually trekked this route back in the early 1900s. He was completely blown away by the snow-covered passes, oak and rhododendron forests, alpine meadows, and the charm of remote villages. That's how this trek became famous, and that's why Quarry Pass is also known as the Curzon Trail.
So guys, वहाँ पहुँचना है हमें. That's Quarry Pass, and we are almost there.
I can't believe I've made it. Oh, really can't believe it's so difficult.
Almost thoda
I've
bacha.
made it almost. Just I have to go there. Just 10-15 more steps. Come. I'm here, guys. I'm here at the top. Look at this beauty. Oh God. Can you believe this? Because I can't. Oh God. So happy. I'm so happy to be here. I did it!
Well done, guys.
I fucking did it! I did it!
Finally did
Reached.
it. Finally did it.
Feeling good?
Very good. It was worth it.
Yeah.
Kind of. Top. Nice job, everyone.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Reaching on the top was nothing less than magical. The moment I set my foot on the summit, all exhaustion just melted away. Surrounded by the mighty Himalayan peaks, it was surreal. That view, that stillness, that feeling, it felt like I was exactly where I was meant to be.
People are going crazy, and why not, right?
Yeah.
Why not? They have made it here. So difficult, so beautiful. I'm very happy.
So So Ratna is on a mission.
Going on the quarry top at the tip.
Yeah, there.
Guys, I cannot explain the sense of accomplishment that you feel. It's so beautiful.
Since this was my first high altitude snow trek, I won't lie, I got a bit emotional. It wasn't easy, but it gave me the confidence to dream bigger and chase more such experiences. It was one of those soul touching moments, the kind we all travel for.
Was it worth it? Hell yes. Time to go back, guys. We can't stay here for a long time because the weather is going bad. But I just want to say that it was such a difficult journey. So much hardships, so many things we have faced to see this. I'm so happy. I don't know what to say, what else to say. The place says it all.
बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ आके, बहुत मज़ा आया और थैंक्स टू एवरीवन जिनकी वजह से ये एक्सपीडिशन पॉसिबल हुआ. हमारा ग्रुप सभी लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं और थैंक्स टू एवरीवन, थैंक्स टू रत्ना जिसकी बदौलत मैं ये ट्रैक्स कर रहा हूँ और amazing.
This is not a small thing, guys. This is 12,500 feet and we got to know that Mount Fiji is at this height. So this is some kind of accomplishment, really. It feels so good when you do something like this and you take this back to your home and keep it with you. So much resilience is required to do all of this. Saying goodbye to the quarry top, the great quarry top, and going back to Kulara base camp.
And just when we thought the journey was wrapping up, Mother Nature had a surprise in store for us. We picked up our bags from Kulara and started our descent to the final campsite. And that's when it began to snow. Walking through dense oak and rhododendron forests with snow gently falling around us, it was like a dreamland.
Tired?
Very, but the beauty of this place keeps me going.
Yeah.
This forest is very beautiful. It's called Tali Forest.
The next morning, we woke up in Guling to a golden sunrise. But it wasn't just any morning.
Where is our bhang?
It was Holi.
आपको भांग पीनी?
We celebrated with colors and laughter right there at our campsite, surrounded by mountains.
यहाँ से लाल पींगे होते जाना है. हैप्पी होली. बहुत थैंक यू सो मच. गालों पे भी लगाना तो थोड़ा. ये लगाना. हैप्पी होली. हैप्पी होली. हैप्पी होली माय डियर सर. थैंक यू. हैप्पी होली. आ जाइए.
हैप्पी होली भाई. हैप्पी होली.
आ जाइए एवरीवन.
ओके घूम रहे इधर.
Happy Holi.
हैप्पी होली.
बस
आपका गोप्रो गंदा हो गया.
Happy Holi.
हैप्पी होली. हैप्पी होली. हैप्पी होली.
हैप्पी होली.
अरे भाई धोने पड़ जाएंगे.
So it's time for us to leave the Guling campsite, and it's 14th March. It's Holi today, so we are all celebrating a little Holi here in the middle of the mountains. Thank you. Happy Holi. Happy Holi, Zach. Say Happy Holi.
Happy Holi. My first one.
Your first one? My first one too. Zach.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
I love it.
As we headed back to civilization, the trek ended at Dhak village. While crossing through the village, we witnessed the raw beauty of remote mountain life. The local welcomed us with sweet colors and warm smiles.
Happy Holi.
Such a heartwarming end to a truly unforgettable journey.
Water Chakki.
Thanks for trekking along with me. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one with another story and many more memories to share.